Hey guys, so today we will be switching up just a little bit more. As you could tell, we have slimes everywhere, so we will be talking about slimes today. So, I think we will be starting to do this, but before we do, make sure you hit that subscriber and turn on notifications. Give us a huge thumbs up if you want us to do more slime videos. So, we're going to talk about this green slime first. It is very sticky. And then if it's very sticky, guys, what you could do is you could roll it up in a ball. And then it won't be sticky anymore. And then I got this galaxy one. And it has tiny glitters. And it's kind of stretchy, kind of not. Then we have this very teal fluffy one that I like a lot. It's kind of stretchy, kind of not. And comment down below if you want my dad to be in videos, because we need him in videos. And then we have this pink one that's also fluffy. This one. And then I think, so what we're going to do is we're going to take some pieces of this and put it on here. So this one you could buy at Walmart. And the purple one is very sticky, but I don't think you could roll it up in the bowl. But here's this one. And we got this orange one that is very hard to get out. And it's not sticky at all. And we got this light pink one. And that's also sticky. Guys, comment down below, what slime do you like more? So yeah, and also comment down below if you want me to do squishy videos.